In the intellectual halls of 17th-century Europe, a storm was brewing. The Age of Enlightenment, a period of profound intellectual and cultural change, was upon the continent. The pursuit of knowledge and reason was the order of the day, and the world of philosophy was no exception. Two great minds, René Descartes and Isaac Newton, stood at the forefront of this intellectual revolution, each seeking to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Descartes, a Frenchman, was a man plagued by doubt. He sought absolute certainty in a world that seemed filled with uncertainty. He pondered, "I think, therefore I am," as he embarked on a journey to establish a foundation for all knowledge. Meanwhile, Newton, an Englishman, was captivated by the celestial bodies that dotted the night sky. He studied the moon's phases, the planets' orbits, and the gravitational pull of the stars, seeking to unlock the secrets of the cosmos. The crisis came when Descartes' philosophies and Newton's scientific discoveries seemed to clash. Descartes proposed a dualistic view of the universe, separating mind and matter, while Newton's laws of motion and universal gravitation suggested a more interconnected, material world. In response, Newton wrote a letter to Descartes' friend, addressing the contradiction. He elucidated his belief that the laws of physics could explain the material world, but the workings of the human mind remained a mystery, a realm that Descartes had explored. Their exchange marked a turning point in the philosophy of science. It revealed the need for collaboration between philosophy and science, a need to integrate the study of the mind and the study of the world. In the aftermath, the philosophers of the Enlightenment continued to grapple with these questions. They sought to understand the nature of reality, the limits of human knowledge, and the role of reason in a changing world. Today, their work lives on, inspiring us to question, to seek, and to strive for a deeper understanding of the universe and our place within it. The legacy of Descartes and Newton continues to shape our philosophy of science, reminding us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey that is far from over.